Hi, my name is Chef Sarju. I'm one of the pastry chef instructors here in Le Cordon Bleu, Malaysia. One of my roles is to teach demonstrations for our students, along with practical classes. The inspiration behind my career path was very fond memories of my grandmother and mother, making sweets with them. Throughout my career, I've worked with many exceptional pastry chefs. In particular, his name is Dennis Drame. He is one of my mentors and he has helped me become the chef I am today. So in 2019, I competed in the Coupe du Monde de la Patisserie held in Lyon, France. I was the chocolate candidate, so we scored in the top 5. It was a very hard and long process. It took almost 2 years to get to where we did, but it was a memory that I will not forget. One of the advantages of being in Malaysia is that you have an abundance of exotic tropical fruits, adds great diversity and really changes the perspective when it comes to food and pastry. My specialty in pastry is chocolate. It's something I've been very fond of since I was little, and as I started working with it early on in my career, I began to love it. A few tips and tricks when working with chocolate is you have to maintain a very regular temperature. It's very important that you have patience. Everything comes with time. You cannot build a cake in just a few minutes. You have to have the patience to follow the process correctly. To become a successful pastry chef, you have to set yourself a goal very early on in your career. You do whatever you can, you have to sacrifice, you have to make a lot of sacrifice to get to your goal. It's very important that you have a target that you work towards.